Welcome to Kids Canvas.
Hello, kids. Welcome to Kids Canvas. Are you ready to draw? So let's get started. Let's learn the colors. Black, red, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, brown, sky blue, pink, light green, fluorescent green. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. like and subscribe. And smash the notification bell. Bye bye.